The security camera footage that only picked up right when Alan started beating his neighbor leaves off what led to it, and now that the full thing's out there, it's painting a very different picture on what unfolded during this situation. So now let's look at the body cam.
Fucking kidding me, bro? What? Stand in front of a fucking bike again, dude.
We're doing what?
You threatened my fucking safety, bro.
Are you kidding me?
I should not be the fuck out of here.
Go ahead, go down. Go ahead. I've called the BPD. I've called them already because you've been driving around this fucking neighborhood like a fucking lunatic.
Then you can watch Rat Ronnie decide to get in front of his motorcycle by taking multiple side steps over there like he was playing defense on a basketball court. So then he gets in front of Alan, who then slams the brakes. He squeezes very hard, and it sends him over